Does this problem scare you? I hope not. But it is kind of a nasty little thing because we're putting a bigger number. We can even make this, I don't know, we can make this 5. And 5 is a really big number compared to 3/4. And what we're trying to do is help kids understand, what is 3/4 divided by 5. They want them to see it. And also to change the division to multiplication because it's easier. So we're teaching them how to model, make a picture, and then also do the algorithm, change the division to multiplication. So the model, taking this huge 5 and sticking into a really small 3/4. This could be like 5 kids get 3/4 of a watermelon, and how much do they each get, right? So modeling would look like this, and make the 3/4. There it is. And let's shade in 3 of it. There's 3/4. All right. And then we're splitting up this. If this was watermelon, right? There it is. There's the whole watermelon. There's what we got, 3/4. And then 5 people get it. So how much of this chunk of watermelon do 5 people get? Well, let's break it up into fifths. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there's the whole watermelon. It was in fourths, and I took the 3/4 and I split it up the other way with fifths. So now, there's 5 people, right? So how much does each person get? I got it. Well, how many pieces do we got now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I got 15 pieces of watermelon. And now 15 divided by 5 would be 3 pieces each, right? So I don't know, it doesn't really matter which ones you take, but there's my answer. So if I'm one person, I would get this chunk. So my answer is 3. And what are these? What size is this? Well, let's just see how many there are total here. 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They're 20ths. So there's our answer is 3/20. There it is, equals 3/20. Now here is what it looks like as an algorithm, and you are probably, here's how you learned it probably. It's 3/4 divided by 5, and then we switch this one and this guy, so it's 3/4 inverse operations multiplication, and then this is a 5, and then you had to turn it into a fraction, and then we actually take the reciprocal, which is 5/1, and then just multiply across. Oops, the reciprocal, which is 1/5, and multiply across for 3/20. That's how you learned it, and the Common Core is this. We take 3/4, and it's essentially the same way, it's just a different way to think about it. And if I have 3/4 of a watermelon and we're splitting up into 5 pieces, I personally would get 1/5 of the watermelon, right? So it's I get 1/5 of the 3/4 of watermelon. That's what I get. And what does of mean in math? Of means times. And we multiply across here to get 3/20, which is the same answer there from the model. And that's what it looks like. A little bit of effort, a little bit of process. We're going to get that fraction intelligence. This is Mr. Mac 203E, and this is Module 2, Lesson 1, Modeling and Using Algorithms for Division of Fractions by Whole Numbers. Hope it helps.